Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shop on TikTok apps. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and after this, if you wanna uh shop on TikTok apps, so you just click on the shop menu at the bottom. This one, you just click on it. And then in here you can see the product you can buy, is it, or you can search the product on this one. Click on it. Maybe you can search for mascara. Maybe after this you can click on the search, and then in here you can see many mascara you can buy, this one or anything else that you want. But maybe I wanna try to buy this one, so you just click on it. And after this, if you wanna buy this one, it's so pretty simple, so you just click on the buy now at the bottom. Click on it, and then in here you can choose the color that you wanted to buy. Maybe I wanna choose for black, this one, so you just click on the black, and after this you can click on buy now at the bottom. Sorry, in here you can adjust the mascara you wanna buy one or two. Just click on the plus icon, this one, for adjust like this or like this. And after this you can click on the buy now, this one at the bottom. Now you can add your address in here, and then in here you can choose for the payment method. You can click on view more. In here you can buy with OVO, or you can buy with cash on delivery, GoPay, Dana, or transfer bank, maybe anything else. But in here I want to try for a cash on delivery, so you just click on it, and after this you can click on the continue at the bottom. And after this, in here you can see the payment method, it's cash on delivery. And after this, in here you just click on the place order. You can waiting and finish. So that's how to shop on TikTok apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.